Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest drone reviews and exciting content. Today, we're taking a closer look at the P15 drone 8K GPS dual camera professional 5G. This drone is a game changer in the world of aerial photography and videography. With its advanced features and cutting-edge technology, it's a must-have for any drone enthusiast or professional photographer. One of the standout features of the P15 drone is its dual 8K cameras. With high-resolution capabilities, you can capture stunning, crystal-clear images and videos from a unique perspective. Whether you're capturing landscapes, action shots, or filming a special event, the P15 drone delivers exceptional quality that will truly elevate your content. But it's not just about the cameras. The P15 drone is equipped with GPS and 5G connectivity, ensuring stable and precise flight performance. With obstacle avoidance and optical flow positioning, you can confidently navigate the drone in various environments without worry. Plus, the brushless upgraded quadcopter design offers smooth and quiet operation, making it ideal for professional use. The P15 drone also boasts an impressive flight range of 10,000 meters, giving you the freedom to explore and capture breathtaking aerial footage like never before. Whether you're a filmmaker, surveyor, or simply a drone enthusiast, this range opens up a world of possibilities for creativity and exploration. In conclusion, the P15 drone 8K GPS dual camera professional 5G is a powerful and versatile tool that will take your aerial photography and videography to new heights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this top-of-the-line drone. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on the P15 drone and take your content creation to the next level. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.